Hello, I'm going to look at the two of your pieces together. Obviously, you're doing Coca-Cola. So it looks like you're really drawn to the hand-drawn, no pun intended, look. You've got two examples of that, but then you also have sort of the opposite with the high contrast pop. I think you can't go wrong with either one. It's definitely your choice. So as far as the font choices, I gotta say I don't think they're terribly creative. Everybody has seen Helvetica, and as a designer, graphic designer, you're going to put together a portfolio that you want to look unique, to stand out from everybody else. Anybody who hires you has Helvetica and Baskerville on their computer. So to them, even if they don't know what they're looking at, they're not going to think it looks fresh. So keep that in mind as you choose your fonts. I do like Americana. I'm not sure you need to use the Coca-Cola font. I mean, you'll probably end up using the Coke logo. So it's definitely something to consider. Okay, so this one, oh, you found a lot of wonderful images. Looks like you've got two sort of very different color palettes going on, sort of an earth tone, toned down one down here, and then sort of an opposite, but at the same time, romantic purplish bright color palette up there. It's reflected in your choices. I also have to say the same thing about these fonts, although they're definitely some of my favorite. I use Avenir all the time, and I love Futur, so don't blame you. However, consider using one decorative font. It's usually a nice way to show consistent design and creativity. One decorative font for a headline, and then do the rest like an Avenir and use variations of that. So I don't remember what you said your content was by this aggressive character and the animal. I'm assuming it's Nike. So keep that in mind. If you're going to do something toned down, you definitely want to use a highlight color. Anyway, both of you are well on your way. I look forward to seeing what you do.